The medieval town of Sarlat, with its golden sandstone buildings, serves frequently as the set for historical movies, and it's easy to see why. Every nook and cranny of this town is picturesque. Here, too, shops selling regional specialties, such as foie gras and truffles, abound. Périgord is one of the few regions in the world where the elusive truffle can be found. Truffles are often called black gold for a reason. They cost more per ounce than gold does. Sarlat was virtually destroyed in the Hundred Years' War, but it was rebuilt in the 15th century and beautifully restored in the 1960s. The day I visited, the streets sang with the music of Paris Londres, a duo who moved to Sarlat from Paris and fell in love with the Dordogne region.